Stefon Diggs is having the worst week ever. Whether it's his girl going left.
Inspiring message for Stefon before the game. One inspiring message for him.
Good luck.
Or this lawsuit that hit him damn near 2 days before he played in the Super Bowl. Exclusive, baby. Stefon Diggs sued. Your goons beat me up after you lied about me stealing your Ferrari. More legal trouble for Stefon Diggs. He's getting slapped with a lawsuit a couple days before his New England Patriots play in Super Bowl LX, aka 60. The Patriots star wide receiver is being sued for defamation and more, according to a new lawsuit obtained by TMZ. In the docs, a man who claims he used to work for Stefon says in July 2024, Stefon requested he arranged for Stefon's Ferrari to be transported from Miami to New York and then to Houston, but he says the Ferrari was stolen in Houston. Of course, it's Houston. That's what they do. The guy claims law enforcement concluded the Ferrari was stolen by third parties and a sophisticated theft, but he says Stefon started telling people in their circles that the guy stole the car. He vehemently denies stealing a Ferrari and says he was never arrested or charged in the case. And he claims Stefon's false allegations caused his concierge and consulting business to suffer. What's more, the man claims members of Stefon's circle started confronting him after Stefon allegedly started spreading the false theft narrative. He says people close to Stefon approached him at restaurants in Houston and Miami and even came to his home demanding he return gifts given to him by Stefon. In the docs, the man claims in January 2025, Stefon texts him that he was responsible and accountable for all actions of those around me. The man claims in December 2025, he was assaulted at Tussi's Cabaret in Miami by two men in Stefon's circle, and he says Stefon's brother, NFL player Stefon Diggs, saw it all go down and did nothing to stop the alleged beatdown. Well, if they beating on you, what the hell can he do? Where was security? But neither here nor there. In his suit, he says he suffered a laundry list of injuries in the alleged attack, including a torn ACL. They beat the brakes off cuz if this is true. The guy claims Stefon defamed him, engaged in a civil conspiracy, and is voraciously liable for the actions of the guys who allegedly beat him up. He's going after Stefon and others for damages. Stefon is also named as a defendant. We reached out to Stefon. So far, no word back. Well, today the man had to show up to court. And let me tell y'all something, man. Sweater vests look like they're making a comeback.
As he walks into court in Dedham. Now, he was arraigned this morning on a felony charge for allegedly attacking his personal chef. Thank you so much for joining us here at 11. I'm Raul Martinez.
And I'm Latoya Edwards.
Pretrial hearing being released today on your own personal recognizance with the decision to be released. Stay away and have no contact with the named victim, and that includes third-party contact. Please be advised if you violate the terms of your release, or if you commit a new criminal offense during the pendency of this case, your bail or personal recognizance could be revoked and you could be held without bail for up to 90 days. That's April 1st at 9, sir. Please see probation to before you leave. Thanks, officer.
Quiet, please.
Quiet, please. Needham Police Department and
Now, we got some exclusive footage of him trotting on out of there, but not only that, we also have his lawyer deciding to speak because he had an opportunity to speak. And I want y'all to see exactly how this one went. Roll it.
Stefon, you want to stop and make a statement? I'll give you a statement.
Any comments, Stefon?
Birdman hands, bang! Before we move on, here's something you can do and get paid for. This is called free cash. Free cash is number 2 on the Apple Store and pays you to play games. You can make $500 plus a month by playing games for free. Use my QR code or the link in the description to get $5 when you download and sign up for free. Download and get paid on your phone and start playing.
That he is completely innocent of these false allegations that have been alleged against him. We're confident that after the facts and evidence are reviewed in this case, he will be completely exonerated. Thank you.
Could you give us all those facts?
Not at this time, but they will be presented, and when they are presented, it will paint a very different picture, and we're very confident that he will be exonerated.
Is he still seeking a monetary settlement?
Thank you.
Is he still trying to resolve this?
What was the
monetary
reason behind the last-minute change in legal teams?
No last-minute change. I've been representing Mr. Diggs for several years. Thank you.
You do expect this to go to
There are individuals, we just gonna admit it, who are blessed with certain abilities, God-given abilities. If you don't believe in God, then genetics that have absolutely helped them propel to the top of their profession. And Stefon Diggs is one of those individuals. Whether you like him or you dislike him, whether you think he's handsome, whether you think he's arrogant, whatever the case may be, it is what it is. But when they say, like Harry Potter, like Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. I would often take that, screw it up a little bit and say, with great power and fame and fortune and influence comes great restraint. Now, some of y'all going, duh, Nash. But I had to ask you specifically, do you believe that if you were in this position, that you would behave the same way? We're not talking about you currently. We're talking about younger you in your prime, to your picking power that he has. See, one thing about certain ladies, and they won't tell you this, so fellas, I'll break the code before y'all get to Valentine's Day if you're trying to go get something. The bad boy is what's attractive to a lot of women. Not all women, of course, but to a lot of women, because it's a thrill. And a man with money, a man with fame, a man with certain importance to a group of individuals will always be higher value than the local male. Now, Stefon Diggs clearly is a sexual deviant. Based off of his actions, my assessment, this man is a sexual deviant. You chose a woman with a big derriere to come through and cook. And I'm going to be honest, it would not shock me nor surprise me to see there are 30 texts between the two that they possibly hooked up. I don't know. I'm just going off of the actions. And let's be fair, promises made and promises not kept. See, a lot of fellas don't understand this, so I'll break the code for the fellas. Pay the freight. Pay to play. That's what it cost. See, Stefon Diggs should have paid that woman her money when she asked for it, with one promissory thing included. Delete all this shit. Delete it all. Delete all that shit. Why? Because I don't want people to know I knew you. I don't want people to know I dealt with you. I don't even want my woman to even have to remember you. Now, the stuff with him and Cardi B, I know y'all like, damn, Nash, should make a video on that? Because I don't know if they playing or not, bro. I'm going to be fair, square, obvious, and honest. Certain times, celebrities do certain things and get out of the damn spotlight and thrust into a different spotlight, because right now she was living in the relationship aspect of, dare I say, Travis Kelce and I forget the girl's name right now. It escapes me. But the little country singer, it seems like this was the hip hop version in the worst way. A baby daddy of multiple kids and a baby mama who's still married to her husband. Spelled for disaster anyways. But I think it's a play. That's just me. That's why I didn't put anything out, because I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. But maybe I should have, so I could have been Nostradamus like some of y'all like to call me. But let's put this in order. Stefon Diggs, even if he's not guilty, he's showing a pattern of behavior. You disagree, you get mitts put on you. You push back, you get mitts put on you. You say, I want my money, you get mitts put on you. It seems as though this ain't out of the realm of possibility, because if Cardi B and Stefon Diggs are over, if he pisses her off and she comes out and she says, yeah, he put hands on me, I had to hit him in his mouth. Guilty. She will become a co-defendant, aka she will become a witness. It would not surprise me if later on down the line we find out that Mr. Diggs is Mr. Dig off in your face with them punches, or put his hands on you in certain ways that you don't find appealing. So, hell if I know, man, but we gonna see how this thing plays out. If you like what we do, man, consider hitting that like button. And if you want to win one of these, just hit the like button and comment your thoughts, because we're giving them away at 300K. But let me know your thoughts on this one. Are you with Stefon Diggs, or do you believe, like I believe, bro, it's gonna be some text messages that come out and he gonna settle this shit out of court? Or are you more devious? You think his ass gonna go to jail, get cut by the Patriots, and that's gonna be that? Maybe his passes came back. Maybe you're one of those people like, nah, Nash, no. The chickens have come home to roost. Be curious to read y'all thoughts. Y'all know I'll get in the comments with y'all all day, so let me know y'all thoughts on this one, man. And if it's your first time here, consider subscribing, man, because like I told you, we give away things around here. So 300K, we giving away one of these 2 lucky winners right now. It's only between 50 people. I like it. We still get subscribers every day. But hey, you like this video? Check out this one right here. Full-fledged body cam of Geechee Gotti with $30,000 worth of pills trying to get away in North Cincinnati. Spoiler ahead, it don't go how he wanted to go. Click right here to find out all about that, or click right here for the playlist and get yourself to your day. I'll catch y'all on the next one.